Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Venmo from iPhone and secure your account, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Venmo from your iPhone, start by locating the Venmo app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. From this menu, select Remove App. You will then see options for deleting the app. Choose Delete App to confirm your decision. The app will be uninstalled from your device. Next, to secure your Venmo account, open the Venmo app before uninstalling. Log into your account with your credentials. Navigate to the settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Scroll down and select Privacy. Adjust your privacy settings to either private or friends to limit who can see your transactions. Now, return to the main settings menu. Tap on Security to review your account settings. Change your password if you haven't done so recently for added security. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. This feature will require a code sent to your phone when logging in from a new device. Once you've secured your account, you can proceed with the uninstallation steps we previously discussed. After deleting the app, ensure to monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. You can do this by checking your account activity in the Venmo app if necessary. If you notice anything unusual, contact Venmo support immediately. This comprehensive process ensures both the uninstallation of the app and the security of your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.